barrel. Can you do that? There you go. Good job.
Good job, Tina.
Keep turning.
Keep turning. Keep turning. There you go. You did good.
She's doing pretty good.
Yeah, she is.
We've ridden him and shot guns off of him before.
That's cool.
Oh my gosh. Oh, she's going down a barrel.
Mm-hmm.
Tina, you're doing barrels. I can't get it now. Not that far away.